to talk about their product.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nikhil Pandey, the CEO of Chiron, making innovations for ages. Now, first of all, I would like to introduce to you my team. The MD of the company, Master J. Krishna Ruwala. The financing director of the team, Master Chirag Jain. The marketing director of the team, Master Kushal Agarwal. And last, the production director of my team, Master Chirag Chopra. Now, Jay Krishna and myself will tell you a little about the product.
So let me tell you about the daily problems which are faced by people who commute and travel through car every day. The major problem faced by people is flat tires. Suppose you're stuck in traffic and your tire goes flat. It would be the worst possible situation, right? The next major problem is cuts to the tires. If you're traveling through a bumpy or unlevel road, you get many cuts to the tires, and that's not enough favor. Impact damage. The tire can get damaged due to impact or accident. Like for example, the tube can come out, the rubber can get torn, etc. Emergency braking. Emergency braking wears out the tread of the tire even more, which is not our favorite. So,
What if?
all this could be avoided.
What if?
There are no flat tires ever.
What if?
Cuts can never come to tires.
And what if?
Tires can never get damaged due to impact. So, presenting to you
DLS.
the airless tire technology features a unique spoke structure designed to support the weight of the vehicle. It has a chip embedded in it which balances the weight of the vehicle evenly according to the weight of the passengers. The product is certified by ISO.
Now we'll tell you some of the benefits of the product.
Okay, the first and foremost benefit is that you'll never have flat tires ever. With airless tires, you never have to worry about flat tires as non-pneumatic tires have no air to leak. This would sound nothing short of revolutionary because if you run over a sharp object or something over the road, you don't have to worry about the flat tire because a tire without air can never go flat. The next benefit is that you won't need a spare tire. Since you won't have any flat tires, you don't need a spare tire. So that no spare tire means less weight, and less weight means better fuel economy.
Now, there are two more benefits. One is the reduced CO2 emissions. About 90% of the energy loss is wasted on the tire rolling resistance from the tire and the road. Now, as our product does not is very lightweight and does not even give that much resistance, it reduces less CO2 and then less fuel utilized. Now, as I told you about the resistance of the tire with the road. When the tire makes, our tire makes very less contact with the road, less in the sense light contact. It doesn't put on too much weight into the road, so the resistance is also less, and thereby making the fuel less. Now, I would like to show you some pictures about our concept tire. And now you can see the unique spoke structure right there, and you can see that any blockage or any bumps which come will be easily avoidable through the spoke structure. Next, I would like to call upon Chirag Jain for the financial requirements of the ALS.
Good afternoon. As being the financial director of Chiron, I would like to tell you about financial requirements for the ALS. The total finance required for the ALS was 40 lakhs, out of which 20 lakhs was required for R&D, which is research and development, and 20 lakhs is used for marketing production. Marketing production includes raw material. Now to brief you about marketing strategy, I would like to call Kushal.
Good morning.
I'm the marketing director of Chiron. First of all, my work is to make our product approachable to the customers, and I have to make sure that customers should buy our product because our product is unique. People already they have took out tubeless tires. It has solved the problem of air, but that tires get cut or they get damaged, but our product does not. In initial stage, our marketing strategy is that first we'll exhibit our product in malls, parks, petrol pumps, garages. Then later, we'll provide the tires to the golf players and they would use in the golf buggies. So later, by word of mouth, they'll market our product. I would like to hand over the mic to Chirag.
So the price of our product will be 28,000. We are looking for penetration method because at first we would like to capture the market. Then we'll use this scheming method when we have already captured the market. And in future, the maximum cost of our product will be 70,000, which includes many of the advanced features which will be coming up later. Next slide. Break-even point analysis. The break-even point for this product, the airless, will be 40 lakhs is required. 40 lakhs is the total finance required, and the price of one product is 28,000. So to reach our break-even point, we need to sell 143 sets of tires. One set includes 4 tires. Now, for future plan, I would like to call.
We will provide a product, will make specific advantages for trucks in industrial application, and they can customize as per their needs, and we supply a product to defense system, so in which our tires will be bulletproof, and we will supply our tires to heavy vehicles such as planes and all, planes, tanks, and industries such as mining, farming, construction, and if the tires of vehicle get punctured, there will be a great loss of productivity and effectivity. That's what they are aiming for, that reason. Thank you. We thank Villa ma'am for all our support. So, judges, any questions?
Good afternoon. It was a good, very appealing presentation, especially you. You have done it, all of you for that matter. Now I saw that the design of the product was slightly different, it was more intricate. Is there any particular reason why you have opted for that sort of a design for your product?
Yes, ma'am, there is a particular reason. It's a unique spoke structure, so it's semi-flexible. So at the time the car is running on this flat road, it will be straight. But at the minute there's an obstacle which comes, the spokes is flexible. So we make an integrated system, so when it's flat, it stays steady and doesn't bend. And when the obstacle comes, it's easy to bend.
Very innovative and very useful and very effective perhaps. Apart from this, what about procuring the raw material? How have you planned for it?
Ma'am, the raw materials are mostly procured from Delhi because as you can see, it's one of the most populated cities. So we're trying to get more of our products towards Delhi, and the raw materials will be brought from Delhi, and there are not that many raw materials. Almost there are around 5 to 6 raw materials because there's zero raw materials.
Okay, thank you, well done.